Hello coin lovers and collectors. Welcome back to Rare Coin Review, the channel where old coins tell amazing stories. Today's video is very special because we're reviewing a 1990 France 50 centimes coin, a coin that many people overlook, but in good condition, it could be worth around $4. So if you enjoy rare coins, foreign coins, or hidden coin values, make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also tell you what makes this coin valuable and how to identify a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more rare coin reviews. Let's start with the basics. This is a 50 centimes coin from France, minted in 1990. At that time, France was still using the French franc, long before the euro was introduced in 2002. Country, France. Denomination, 50 centimes. Year, 1990. Currency, French franc. Type, circulation coin. Even though it was made for everyday use, today it has become a collectible coin, especially for people who collect pre-Euro European coins. Now let's look at the front side, also called the obverse. On the obverse, you'll see the famous symbol of France, Marianne. Marianne represents freedom, equality, the French Republic. She is wearing a Phrygian cap, which is a powerful symbol of liberty. Around her portrait, you'll see the word République Française. This design reflects France's strong national identity and revolutionary history. Tip for collectors: a sharp portrait, clear facial details, and readable lettering increase the coin's value. Now let's turn the coin over to the reverse side. Here you'll find the denomination 50 centimes, a wreath design, usually made of oak and olive branches. The mint year, 1990. The wreath symbolizes strength and peace, which is very common in French coin designs. Check carefully. Are the leaves sharp? Is the number 50 bold and clear? Is the date easy to read? The cleaner these details are, the better the coin's collector value. Let's talk about the technical details. Collectors love this part. Material, aluminum bronze. Color, golden tone. Diameter, approximate 18 millimeters. Weight, around 2 grams. Edge, plain. Because of the aluminum bronze alloy, the coin has a lightweight feel and a golden color, which makes it visually attractive even today. Now the big question everyone asks: how much is the 1990 France 50 centimes coin worth? Here's the honest answer. Circulated condition, $0.50 to $1. Very fine condition, $2 to $3. Uncirculated or near mint condition, up to $4 or more. Warning: important note. This coin is not rare by mintage, but condition is everything. Coins with no scratches, original shine, no corrosion, are the ones collectors are willing to pay more for. This is why some people sell the same coin for cents, while others sell it for $4 or higher. Here's how you can check if your coin is valuable. Keycap 1, look for minimal wear on Marianne's face. Keycap 2, check the edges for damage. Keycap 3, make sure the coin hasn't been cleaned. Keycap 4, compare it with graded coin images online. Keycap 5, store it properly in a coin holder. Never clean old coins. Cleaning can destroy collector value. The 1990 France 50 centimes coin is a great example of how ordinary circulation coins can turn into collector items over time. If you already have one, check its condition. You might be holding a $4 collectible coin. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment if you own this coin. Subscribe to Rare Coin Review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Rare Coin video.